Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 2.10, It. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then, you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Cat. Dog. Bird. Fish. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. It is a cat. What is this? It is a cat. What is it? It's a cat. It is a dog. What's this? It is a dog. What is it? It's a dog. It is a bird. What's this? It's a bird. What is it? It is a bird. It is a fish. What is this? It's a fish. What is it? It is a fish. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the picture. Answer the question. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. What is this? It's a fish. What is it? It is a fish. What's this? It is a dog. What is it? It's a dog. What's this? It's a bird. What is it? It is a bird. What is this? It is a cat. What is it? It's a cat. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.